how did planets like Earth first form? That story starts 4.6 billion years ago with the birth of our solar system. As a vast cloud of dust and gas collapses in on itself, pressures increase, temperatures at the center rise to millions of degrees, until energy from the early sun blasts away some of the cloud. This lights up the young solar system, revealing the beginnings of planets. The mystery has always been, how did this spinning cloud of dust become the massive planets we see today?
How does one go from microscopic grains to golf ball size things? And how do golf ball size things go from there to 10-meter size things? And how do those go to planetary embryos? And there's a lot of steps in there we don't quite understand.
Many scientists believe the answers are hidden in asteroids, the oldest rocks in the solar system, leftover debris from its earliest days.
Asteroids are just not lumps of rock. These are the basic parts or building blocks of planets.
Over hundreds of thousands of years, asteroids collide, growing bigger and hotter. As their gravity increases, they attract even more asteroids, until eventually, as temperatures rise, they become spheres of rock with hot, molten cores, protoplanets. Computer simulations suggest that within 10 million years of the solar system's birth, up to 100 protoplanets ranging in size from our moon to Mars were orbiting close to the sun. So why does the solar system look so different today? A protoplanet the size of Mars slams into early Earth. The collision is so violent, it melts the surface, creates an even larger planet, and blasts molten rock back into space that will coalesce and eventually form our moon. Earth isn't the only planet that gets transformed by giant impacts. Over tens of millions of years, all the protoplanets of the early solar system repeatedly collide, becoming larger bodies with each impact. This process eventually formed the 4 rocky planets seen today: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
And so the final planets that we have today are really the ones that won the competition, and that some planets were literally destroyed or thrown out of the solar system, and others survived to be here today.